Okay.
What is up mga kalipit? Welcome back to another Gym Dayo episode. This time around, we're back to the heart of Angeles City. Nandito tayo sa Red 7 Fitness Gym. So, this is one of the commercial gyms inside the city of Angeles. Madalas ko na rin nakikita along the way. Ngayon lang kami nakapunta dito mga kalipit. So, we're gonna do a total body workout. Let's go!
To the fight, never turn to ice tiger. Push through, break the mold. Like this body strong and bold. I said it, mommy, let's get it. Like in the black, she's just another of my warriors of thunder. Hey, hey, let's go fit for life, like Fit 40.
Alright mga kalipit, this one, first time ko itong na-encounter. Medyo, it's in the middle eh. Diba, sanay tayo kapag ang lat pull down is yung wide grip, no? So medyo mas mahaba yung bar. Pag naman close grip, usually hanggang dito lang naman yan eh. This one in particular is kinda, medyo short siya for a long bar. Medyo long naman siya for a close grip. So medyo siya sa gitna. Kanina when I was trying it, medyo unique yung tama niya sa lats kasi it's just right in the middle na talagang nasi-squeeze niya yung lats mo as you go down. And iba yung sensation na nafe-feel ko compared to sa traditional long grip bar tsaka doon sa close grip. This one, kung meron kayong ganito sa gym nyo, highly recommended kasi it gives a unique perspective kung saan tatama yung lats nyo as you squeeze the movement mga kalipit.
Like thunder, the earth will shake, muscles burn, all warriors wake.
Alright mga kalipit, this one naman, it may seem to be the typical rope push down, pero as you can see, nakadikit yung likod ko dito sa ano ba tawag dito? Sandalan. Whatever kung na English. Pero nakadikit yung back ko dito. So it gives you that stability when you do the push down. As you can see, yung cable is vertically parallel to my body, which really isolates the triceps muscles. Which you don't get when doing the traditional way kasi tendency is naka-lean forward ka, naka-chest down, di ba? Para tumulong sa pagbuhat ng weight. Pero in this case, there's nothing to help you out, just your triceps. And it actually gives you a more targeted focus sa muscle group na pino-workout mo. And most of the time, kailangan din ng mga ganitong klaseng variations sa inyong workout. So if you have this kind of setup in your gym, make the most out of it. Take advantage of those isolated or strict form movements, mga kalipit.
Hear the call, rise again, unleash the strength from deep within. Roll within, roll within. Feel the fire, let it begin.
This one naman, mga kalipit, is a really great alternative for doing the typical dumbbells when you do your side lateral raises. So kanina, naka-cable siya, and I didn't use any handles. Well, I learned over the years na when you use the handles, you get the forearms in place. Kumbaga, tutulong yung forearms nyo as you raise the weight. But in this case, wala, di ba? So ang meron ka lang is yung ball na to. So that's where your hand goes. Siya yung, you'll only get your grip. Ang grip mo lang talaga ang tutulong sa'yo para buhatin to. And one more thing, you saw na naka-ano ko, di ba? Naka-lean ako like this, no? So it gives you an angle. It actually makes the stretch more challenging kasi nga you're going against the gravity. Tapos nire-raise mo pa yung arm mo upward, di ba? So that's where you really feel the target dito sa side lateral raise. And it gives you also a more challenging workout. More than just doing your typical side lateral raises using dumbbells, mga kalipit. So give this a try.
Roll within, roll within. Tense like thunder, the earth will shake. Muscles burn, a warrior's wake. Through the storm, we won't break. Hear the call, rise again, unleash the strength from deep within. Roll within, roll within, roll within. Feel the fire, let it begin, let it begin. Life and power, skin to skin, skin to skin. Roll within, roll within, roll within. Psycho beats like a war drum's cry. Electric surge, we touch the sky. Tigers roar, it echoes high. Unstoppable.
Ano ba yung pinaward mong reel kanina, pre? Pero in fairness, courtesy of Jesse James West and si Dr. Mike, tama? Mike Israel.
Wow!
For the longest time, ang ginagawa ko pag ganitong leg curl is naka-lean back. Kaya ganun yung puwan naka-lean back eh. Pero doon sa video na sinend ng director ko, sabi ni Dr. Mike, lean forward. Pagka-lean forward ko ganito, immediately mararamdaman mo na yung stretch mo sa hamstrings. Eh kaso, hindi ako makapag-lean back na makapag-lean straight na ganito nang hindi umahawak dito. So kailangan kong i-anchor sa sarili ko. Then you do the movement. Oh my God! Yun! Ramdam mo yung tama sa hamstrings. Ay grabe. So, from a seemingly mundane sitting position to ganito, dramatically changes the impact. Ay grabe. Gumuguhit.
Suabe.
Suabe pare. Ay grabe.
Aray ko.
The cable crossover machine, mga kalipit. A lot of debate has been said about which angle is the best daw. as you can see, marami tayong options. So the more the options, the more na angles na pwede mong tamaan ang chest muscle natin. So, depende yan sa capability ng machine nyo kung ano pwede. Well, this one actually kaya niya hanggang even above the average height ng tao. So, it gives you a more better stretch angle. So, kung meron siyang ganito, try nyo rin. Yung iba naman, prefer chest level. So, more on sa central fibers yun. This one sa taas, so tatama yan sa lower. Yeah, sa lower. Pag all the way down naman, upper naman siya. So, whatever the angle is, depende yan sa purpose ng kung ano bang part ng chest muscle ang gusto nyong tamaan. So, maganda na yung marami kayong options na pwedeng gawin, di ba mga kalabit? So, if you have this, I suggest you experiment with different angles week on week or on a periodic basis para malaman nyo kung anong angulo best mag-respond ang inyong chest muscles mga kalabit. So check out all the angles para mas marami kayong options para alin doon, aling angle ang mas hiyang ng chest muscles nyo mga kalabit. Takot ba kayo sa final destination? So, yung mga leg press na hindi mo alam kung safe ba or no, di ba? You're put in a compromising position, di ba? You're in an angle na kung walang safety measure yung mismo machine, nag-aalangan kang buhatin yung plates, di ba? Pero, again, this one is a very safe alternative. So, at least naka-seated position ka, walang pwedeng dumagan sa'yo, walang pwedeng ano, di ba? Ma-balance part or what. Pero if you want to get almost the same benefits of a leg press, this one can be a good alternative. So parang binaliktad lang yung position nyo. So you're in a seated angle. So no weight is bearing on you. Diba? So yun lang. Ako I use this whenever it's available because it gives my quads another way to be targeted, and usually I can go heavy on this one. So yun, if you have this, for sure make it part of your routine and take the most out of it mga kalapit. is what you call mga ka-Lifefit a tricep trifecta. So, based dun sa popular exercise sa biceps na 21s, diba, usually pag bicep curls, you do the first movement na hanggang dito, 7 times. Tapos, second half, another 7 times. Tapos, buo, full range of motion, 7 times. Kaya 7 times 321. So, that's the biceps. Ito naman triceps. So, nakahiga, yung full extension, 7. Tapos, another is yung mas close grip extension, 7 ulit. Then, final is yung press, another 7. So, 21 din. It actually saves you time kasi you can do 3 exercises in one go. Diba? So, it's a way to save time in your workout and matatamaan mo rin yung different heads ng triceps with that kind of exercise. So, give it a try mga ka-Lifefit. Pero mind you, you can't go super heavy on that kasi you're really gonna feel it, especially on the last exercise. Talagang pupush mo yung sarili mo dito. So, take a try the tricep trifecta. I'm out of breath. Kasi very challenging talaga yung Bulgarian split squat na yun. Sino ba naka-invento na? Anyways, it's not enough na you do two-legged leg workouts. Meron din merits yung hinahaluan mo rin ng single leg. Kaya kanina medyo naninibago ako kasi I rarely do single leg movements. And I think well, in my opinion, the Bulgarian split squat is really one of the hardest things to do, kahit pa with or without weights. And mind you, yung mismo pag calculate ng distance, ano rin yan. So it's also something to really think about kasi too near the bench will make your knees suffer kasi masyado naka-focus sa knees yung weight mo. Too far naman is gonna compromise your stability. Kaya medyo kanina medyo naninibago ako sa positioning. Pero it has its merits. If you like to move it, then do it. Pero then again, you do what you think that can do consistently. Kung ano yung magagawa mo consistently, then go for it. And okay din na once in a while, you mix up your trainings. Kumbaga, first you try this, the next time you also try this and see which one works best for you mga ka-Lifefit. Ay grabe, ano na ako yun. Alright, to cap off today's workout, we're gonna do the dreaded ladder workout for biceps. So, bakit ladder? Usually, you do all the weights available on the rack or on the stack kung machine siya. Ikaw nang bahala dun sa intervals, pero ang purpose is to really go through it all and exhaust your muscles up to close to failure. I assure you after the ladder set, talagang pigang-piga ka na ng mga ride. So, in this workout, we're gonna do bicep curls using a barbell. So, ladder. So, lahat yan mga ride, dadaan na. Tingnan niyo yung itsura ko after the last one. Kung ano nangyayari sa akin. Okay, let's do this.
fuel the flame. Every step rewrite the game. Hear the roar, you're untamed. Tigers roar, cuts the air. You're a beast beyond compare. Lift the weight, conquer fear. Every move brings you near. Roar and rise, feel alive. Push it harder till you thrive. Roar and rise, feel alive. Life at 40, let's arrive.
Like thunder, the earth will shake. Muscles burn, all warriors wake. Through the storm, we won't break. Hear the call, rise again. Unleash the strength from deep within.
So there you have it mga ka-Life Fit, another Gym Dayo down on a Saturday afternoon with Team Life Fit 40. Ibang klase talaga kapag nakakapunta ka sa iba't ibang mga gym, no? And this is one of those gyms na malaking pasasalamat mo na nakapunta ka dahil nakasubo ka ng mga bagong equipment and bagong angulo ng pag-lift, di ba? Na hindi ko usually na-experience sa ibang gym. So it's really worth it na nagtitry ka ng iba't ibang mga gym. So sama kayo mga ka-Life Fit every time mag-gym dayo tayo. So for more Gym Dayo content like this mga ka-Life Fit, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to all of my social media accounts, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. Turn on the notification so you will be notified for all future content. Thank you to all our sponsors. Check out their links in the description down below. So we will be seeing you on the next episode. Stay safe always and be a life inspiration mga ka-Life Fit.
Please like and subscribe to Life Fit 40.